Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Airbnb. Whether you're planning your next vacation or looking to explore unique stays around the world, creating an Airbnb account is your first step to unlocking thousands of accommodation options. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to www.airbnb.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. You might also see this option appear in a pop-up window depending on how the site loads. Next, you'll be presented with several sign-up methods to choose from. Airbnb makes this convenient by allowing you to continue with Google, continue with Apple, or continue with email. You can also use your phone number if you prefer. Select whichever method works best for you. For this tutorial, we'll go with the email option since it's the most commonly used. After clicking Continue with Email, type your email address into the email field and click Continue. Make sure you're using an email you have access to as you'll need it for verification shortly. Now create a secure password in the password field and click Continue. Choose something strong that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account protected. The next screen will ask you to type your full name in the full name field. Enter your first and last name as they appear on your ID, then click Continue. Following this, you'll need to select or confirm your country or region from the drop-down menu. This helps Airbnb customize your experience and show you relevant listings. Shortly after, you'll receive a verification code sent to your email or phone. Check your inbox, copy that code, and type it into the verification field, then click Continue. This step confirms that you own the contact information you provided and helps keep your account secure. You'll then see a screen displaying Airbnb's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've reviewed these, click Agree and continue to proceed. Now it's time to personalize your profile. Click Add a photo to upload a profile picture, which helps hosts recognize you and builds trust within the community. After selecting your photo, click Save or Continue. Finally, Airbnb may prompt you to complete identity verification for added security. This could involve uploading a government ID or taking a selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Submit when you're finished. This verification protects both you and the Airbnb community. And that's it, your Airbnb account is now ready to use. You can start browsing listings, saving your favorites, and booking your next adventure. Thanks for watching.